Hello guys, you're welcome to today's lesson. We'll be looking at SS1 math questions and answers. For those of you that are now in SS1, congratulations to you. My name is Marco Kafo. Let's go straight to the first question, which says, simplify 2a times bracket 3a close bracket, the power is negative 2. I'm sure you've learned laws of indices in GSS 3. We are going to apply laws of indices to solve a lot of questions we'll be doing for this lesson. The first thing we need to do, I'm going to keep 2a, but I'm going to sort bracket 3a close bracket to the power of negative 2 using laws of exponent or negative index rule in indices. There's this rule: if you have a negative n is same as 1 over a and n, a and the power is n. Bring out the 2a times, then we have bracket 3a negative 2. This negative 2 affects both the 3 and the a. So we have 2a times 3 negative 2 times a negative 2. Alright, 2a. Using the laws of exponent, the negative index rule here, I can write 3 negative 2 as 1 over 3 to the power of 2. Do the same for a negative 2 as 1 over a negative 2. Alright, so 2a times 1 over 3 square. Remember, this is negative square. The one, what I call 2, of course, is square. So 1 over 3 square. Now, the exponent tells you how many times you need to multiply a number by itself. So this is same thing as saying 1 over 3 square. Since it's square, I'll do 3 times 3. If it's cube, like if the exponent is 3, which is cube, I'll multiply the base number by itself in 3 places. So times 1 over a times a. One of this a cancels this a, because this same thing as saying 2 over 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times a is a. So the final answer is 2 over 9a. Let's take a look at question 2. 3 to the power of n minus 1 times 3 to the power of 1 minus n. How do you solve a question like this? We are going to use the same base rule in indices. Same base rule. So the rule states if you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, if the bases are the same and what you have is multiplication symbol, what do you do? You pick one of the base. If it's multiplication, you do addition. Add up the exponent, m plus n. Since the bases here are the same, 3 and 3, I'll pick one of them and add up the exponent. That's n minus 1 plus 1 minus n. Now, let's sort the exponent. Let's collect like terms. We have n. We have negative n. We have plus 1. Then we have negative 1. So n minus n is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So that will give me 3 to the power of 0. In math, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this is the answer. Question 3. Simplify the cube root of 8a and to the exponent of negative 6. Step 1, we have to convert convert to index form. Look at this rule. If you have this n root x, it's same thing as saying x 1 over n. So if we have the cube root of 8a negative 6, it's same thing as saying 8a negative 6 then 1 over 3. Now we need to apply the power to each factor. So 8, apply the power here, 1 over 3, times a negative 6, apply the power here. 8 1 over 3 is same thing as saying the cube root of 8, times, now let's simplify this. I'm going to create space for it. 8 negative 6 times 1 over 3. So I'm sorting this. 3 here 1, 3 into 6 is 2. Minus 2 times 1 will give me a negative 2. Bring it here. A negative 2. Cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places is 8, times a negative 2. So my final answer, same thing as saying 2 times, using the law of indices, a negative 2 is same as 1 over a squared. 2 times 1 is 2 over a squared. Question 4. 2x 1 over 2 times 3x negative 5 over 2. To solve this question, we need to multiply constants and add powers. So we have 2 times 3. This 2 times this 3. Now we have times x 1 over 2 times x negative 5 over 2. So once you sort the expression, 2 times 3 is 6. Remember the first rule of indices. If the bases are the same, you pick one. If the symbol is negative, add the exponent. So we have 1 over 2 plus negative 5 over 2. So 6x 1 over 2 plus times minus is minus 5 over 2. 6x, if the denominator is the same, pick 1, 2. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. 2 here 1, 2 into negative 4 is 2. Final answer 6x negative 2. This is same thing as saying 6 times 1 over x to the power of 2. Final answer 6 over x to the power of 2, because 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, let's take question 5. To solve this question, I'm going to sort them according to kinds. 75 divided by 5 times a square divided by a square times b negative 2 divided by b negative 3. 5 here 1, 5 into 7, 1 remainder 2. 5 into 25 is 5. So we have 15. A square cancels a square times b negative 2 divided by b negative 3 equal to 15. Second law of indices, if the bases are the same, pick one. If it's division, you subtract the exponent or the power. So minus 2 minus 3. 15b minus 2. Minus times minus is plus 3. Final answer is 15b. Remove 2 from 3, you'll be left with 1. So 15b is the final answer. Thank you very much for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay with me as I'll be taking other lessons that will make SS1 easy peasy for you. For those of you that want to join my live classes every Saturday, watch this video.
Are you struggling with maths? Or you're worried about your words performance in school? You are not alone, and you don't have to wait another term for things to improve. Introducing Math Mastery Live. Excel with confidence, conquer your fear. Join our live Zoom class with seasoned Mr. Marco Kafor and his top-tier teams in mathematics. With just 5,000 Naira, your child can join this amazing class. Maths don't have to be boring. Follow us on our social media handle. Bye!